Knock, knock, who's there? Social media marketing. It's the perfect time because no one's buying a car right now. And the only people there are the motivated workers or the owners. So this is actually, the time when everybody's not going, that's the time for us. So if they're open, we're going to do it. The gloves my cameraman's wearing right now are my grandfather's gloves. And he was yep, there they are. A salesman, an entrepreneur at heart. And the day he died, he was bored of retirement. He said, I'm going to go back to work this week. And then he was doing some pool yoga and he died. So I'm thinking he manifested for himself back into a younger body so he can go back to work again. Because that was when he was at his happiest. Neville Goddard believes that when you die, you reincarnate yourself in like a 20-year-old version of whatever you're trying to create. And then the question goes is like, all the memories you have right now, how do you know you didn't die and then incorporated yourself in the version you are right now? Because memories could be fake. They're just electrical signals in your brain, so you don't know what's real or fake. But what I believe as a fundamental truth, like the dream scenario or simulation theory, life has meaning because we give it meaning. And we're all the same consciousness having a brief human experience, so let's make this a beautiful one, a loving one. Let's provide a lot of value to each other because remember, everybody's just us. So let's treat others how we'd like to be treated because they are us. So let's just treat them with love. So look in the mirror and say, I love you. Walk up to your neighbor, say, I love you. Walk up to these businesses we're going to help with their social media, help them make more money, and they're going to give us money in return. Be a wonderful day. Today we are going to manifest $10,000 client. $10,000 monthly client is going to meet us today and pay us $10,000 today. And they're going to be so happy to do so. They're going to be so thankful, so grateful, because we're going to help them sell more cars. We're going to help them improve their social media, get more growth. They've been waiting for someone like us to show up, and here we are. And it's an amazing experience, and we're providing a lot of value and getting a lot in return. Life is beautiful. Life is wonderful. We're in the highest timeline, feeling amazing. Everything we want to happen is happening. Everything we need to happen is happening. Life is a beautiful, beautiful journey. It's a fun video game, and we get to enjoy it. We get to play it as many times as we want, in any way we want. Life is beautiful. Life is joyous. Life is fun. Life is rewarding. We're warm, toasty, and even the universe just recognized our meditation with that lovely chime. So let's now get our day started. Let's succeed. It's currently 1:45 p.m., so a little late start, but that's okay. Any dealership that's open, we're going to go to. And who knows, maybe the first one we go to will say yes and give us $10,000 on the spot. How nice would that be? Comes our 10K client. See you there.
How you feeling right now going there?
I feel fine. It's just rainy and icy, so I'm focusing on driving safe. And then I know once we get there, everyone's just me pushed out, so I'm going to treat me how I'd like to be treated. Kindness, respect, and provide value to each other. So like every interaction we have, we should provide value in some form. And everything's going to work out perfectly, and we're going to have a great experience. It's as simple as that. You just create the reality you want to maintain, that vision of the future. Be happy, be cordial, be kind, be generous, and everything will work out just fine. Just going to be honest with them. Say, hey, we have a video production company where we specialize in social media videos to increase sales, and we'd like to give you a free audit of the social media you're already doing. Do you have time for a quick 5-minute chat? Simple as that.
The name of the company? Forever Lucid?
Yes.
Is he expecting me?
No, we're just say hi.
Yeah,
Good.
probably not the best day to do that. Do that hard. It's into the mud. They're shutting down. Put it down. Stay out right now. Sure. Do you have a card?
No.
Yes.
We said he'll be right with you.
Okay.
See, I'd make this check out other updates and quit trying to get the dealership in the shutdown status.
Yes, they're nice. I believe they're. Hey, I've gone.
Hi, how you doing? What's up, guys?
Hey, so we have a social media company, and I was checking out your social media, and I found some things we could help you out with. So I was wondering if we could schedule time to speak. We know it's hailing that.
Maybe you just give me a card and we can maybe talk tomorrow or the next day?
Yeah. Here, can I grab your number and do a ballot? There.
my cell, email.
Okay. Do you mind if we just shoot a car so we can show you what our videos will look like?
Yourself out.
All right, thanks. Started hailing, so they were starting to close up, but we were able to meet the general manager, Brian, and he gave us his card. So what we're going to do is we asked to film a little bit to show him what we can do. We filmed 2 cars, very cool, like. We're going to make some long form and some short form content to show him what we can do. And then we'll take it from there. We'll try to schedule a meeting. Say, hey, you know, we met yesterday. Like to schedule a meeting, talk about your social media, how we can improve it.